Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you will fine. Today we are going to discuss the pH of salt solutions. pH refers to the power of the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution. We know that a salt is formed by the reaction between an acid and a base. When an acid and a base is treated together, we get a salt. So we should expect that the solution of a salt in water, it will be neutral. It will be neutral in terms litmus. It will be neutral towards litmus paper or litmus solution. Though the aqueous solutions of many salts, they are neutral, having a pH value of 7. Those solutions which are neutral, their pH value is 7, while as some salts, the aqueous solution of some salts, they are acidic in nature. They produce some salt, they produce acidic, or some salts produce basic in water. The pH of salt solutions, some salt solutions are sodium chloride, NaCl. Its pH is 7. The solution is having pH value, they are neutral. While as solution is having pH less than 7, they are acidic nature. While as the solution is having pH above 7, they are basic in nature. We can see that aqueous solution of sodium, it is neutral, while an aqueous solution of ammonium chloride, it is acidic because its pH is less than 7. While as an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate, it is basic in nature. The acidic or basic nature of some salts, it can be explained on the basis of the hydrolysis of salts. Hydrolysis means splitting of a compound by the action of water. Splitting of a compound by the action of H2O. For example, the salts of strong acids and strong bases, they give neutral solutions. Let us take an example of sodium chloride to understand this point. Sodium chloride, it is formed from a strong acid HCl and a strong base. You see, sodium chloride acid from a strong acid, and therefore an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it is neutral. It does not have any action on litmus paper. The salts of strong acids, the salts which are formed from the strong acids and strong bases, they give the neutral solutions. Salts of strong acids and weak bases, they give acidic solutions. Let us take the example of ammonium chloride to understand this point. For example, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl, it is formed it is the salt of a strong acid. It is formed from a strong acid HCl and weak base ammonium hydroxide. So an aqueous solution of ammonium chloride, it is acidic in nature. For example, when an ammonium chloride, it is dissolved in water, it is dissolved in, it gets hydrolyzed, it undergoes hydrolysis to some extent to produce ammonium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. It has HCl plus NH4OH. We know that HCl, it is a strong acid. It is completely ionized in water to produce a large amount of hydrogen ions, while as ammonium hydroxide, it is a weak base. Yes, a weak base, and it is slightly ionized and give a small amount of hydroxide ion. So we can say that the ammonium chloride solution, it contains more of hydrogen ions. So it is acidic in nature. It is acidic in nature. The salts are weak acids and strong bases. They give basic solutions. Let us take an example of sodium carbonate, which is the salt of a weak acid, carbonic acid, and a strong base, NaOH. So an aqueous solution of sodium carbonate, it will be basic in nature. When sodium carbonate, it is dissolved in water, it gets hydrolyzed to some action to form sodium hydroxide. It has sodium hydroxide बेलश बना carbonic acid. Sodium hydroxide, it is a sodium hydroxide, it is a strong base. It is completely ionized. It gives a large amount of hydroxide ions. While as carbonic weak acid, it is slightly ionized and gives a small amount of hydrogen. So we can say the solution of sodium carbonate, it contains more of hydroxide ions than hydrogen. It contains more hydroxide. So we can say that the solution of sodium carbonate, it is basic in nature.